Hi everybody, we're out here. We're on basically a service call with Adam from Isaac Heating, and we always recommend at least having your HVAC systems, your furnace, air conditioner, that sort of thing checked biannually, every 6 months, the heating season, the cooling season. But I'm going to let Adam talk about some tips that we have for us, and I'll let him take it away. So thanks, Adam.
Hi. So our company always recommends a semi-annual checkup. And what that includes is a filter change and the condensate drain getting flushed, and also we check all the electrical to make sure there's no burning, there's no parts that are going bad. And the reason we recommend this is it just helps prevent any major repairs. You can catch them when they're still small ones and they're easy to fix. It also helps keep the unit running as efficiently as possible, and it'll always help keep your house as comfortable as you want.
So when we recommend twice a year, is there a difference between the summer or the heating and the cooling? Like, how does that typically work for you guys?
So in the summer, for your air conditioning, you have a unit on the outside. And so the way the air conditioner essentially works is it takes all the heat inside, it travels through these tubes, goes to the outside, and then it dissipates outside. So over time, those coils can get clogged up with dust and grass and dirt. And so we just hose them out, clean them. We check all the electric outside, make sure there's no mice or pests getting into it, and just helps make sure the air conditioner is running as efficiently as possible and moving the heat as well as it can. In this winter time, we come for the furnace. Usually it's a gas furnace, so what that includes is cleaning the burners, making sure there's no blockage in the gas pipe, and just making sure that your exhaust vent works well so you're not getting carbon monoxide inside the house. So it helps keep you safer and helps keep the unit more efficient.
Great. Now, what do you recommend with air filters?
Air filters, we recommend changing at least every 6 months. Depending on your location, the amount of dust, pollen in the air, it could be every 3 months, but we always recommend changing them at least twice a year.
Okay. And is it hard to get on like a regular routine maintenance schedule? You just call and schedule?
It's very easy. Just call our company and you can talk to the office and they'll set you up with a plan.
Great. Well, thanks for your help today, Adam.
Yep, you're welcome.
Have a great day.